6 pics September Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you where you can find this add your sticker and how to do the trend with it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to September add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find the sticker there. So click on September add yours at highlights. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, which is at the end. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go to my description box below, and there you can find a YouTube tutorial that can help you solve this problem. And now you can go to your highlights, to your gallery, which is in the left bottom corner right here, and you can choose your first photo for this add yours sticker. Now, to make the picture smaller, you will have to zoom in and zoom out with your two fingers and place it where you want. Now, to add a second photo, you will have to click here at the top of the screen on stickers, scroll down, and then click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose your second photo. After you add your second photo, you have to go again here at stickers and choose your third photo, and so on. Now, to bring the stickers at the top, you have to click on it and it will appear at the top. And then if you're happy with your story, you can share it with your friends. So guys, if this video was helpful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.